Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I would like to thank you all for showing my lotion video so much love. I want to thank you so much. And without further ado, if you'd like to see how I made these tasty treats, keep watching. So first, you're going to cut up your soap base. I use clear soap base and a little bit of white soap base. Melt your soap base down. Here, I added in a small piece of white soap base. This is to add opaquency. I don't think I'm pronouncing that word right, but yeah. I also added in some shea butter. It's going to be super moisturizing on your skin. Since this is a hand lotion, we want it to be super moisturizing. So we're going to mix that all up until it's fully incorporated. Now, I missed a step, but I did add in my brown mica. So now this is our cupcake batter. We're going to add in some fragrance oil into our cupcake batter. This is hot fudge brownie fragrance oil. This smells so good. This reminds me of Hershey's chocolate syrup, but let's not get carried away. So we're going to mix that into our cupcake batter. Right? We're going to mix that in. Now, for the pour, I'm going to spray down my little cupcake cups with a little rubbing alcohol. Add in my cupcake batter. Hence, cupcake batter. I'm gonna add this in. This smells amazing. This smells like chocolate milk. Complete chocolate milk. Chocolatey goodness. We're gonna let these sit. In the meantime, I'm gonna use some soap dough to roll out the little curly cues. Now, if you would like to see a video on how I make my soap dough, please let me know. Like this video, comment down below. But I'm going to roll out my little curly cues, or whatever you would call them. I'm going to call them curly cues with my soap dough. Now, this was kind of difficult because I didn't know what I was doing, but I want to say it didn't turn out too bad from my first time. So it came out kind of like this. I'm going to say it's not too bad for the first time. So we're just going to roll with it, okay? We're going to roll with it. So I made another one. Because I have 2 cupcakes, because of course Hostess Cupcakes come with 2 cupcakes, duh. So I made another curly cue to go on the top. We're gonna gently put that down. Now I'm gonna grab my cupcakes. Look at these, aren't they so cute? These smell so edible. Don't be tempted though. So what I did, I melted down the rest of my cupcake batter, dipped my cupcakes in them, and then placed the curly cue white frosting, whatever you want to call it, on the top. And this is how they came out. These smell and look delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Do not put these around your kids. Please let them know these are soap and not food, because they're going to smell so tempting. But if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do have a pop-up shop coming up next week on the 16th at Barcello Gardens. Be sure to come through and show us some love. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.